hate this, but you're giving it to me, so I have to eat it. Maybe this time it'll be different.
Oh, bless him.